Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hi, friends. We're happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very important: motivation.
Yes, we'll talk about how to practice English without waiting for perfection.
Many learners think, I'll start speaking when my English is perfect.
But guess what? Perfect English doesn't exist. Even I'm not perfect.
Yes, Mark makes mistakes too, especially when he's sleepy.
Hey, that's true. No, that's not true. Okay, maybe a little.
See? Mistakes are normal.
That's why today we'll show you how to start speaking with confidence.
Let's begin with a simple question. How are you today?
I'm feeling great. A bit hungry, but great.
You're always hungry?
True, but hunger doesn't stop me from learning English.
Good example. If hunger can't stop him, mistakes shouldn't stop you.
Many learners wait for the perfect moment to start.
But the perfect moment is now.
Yes, every small practice counts, even listening to this podcast
Or speaking one short sentence per day.
or talking to yourself in the mirror. I do that sometimes.
Really? What do you say?
Mark, you can do it.
That is cute. And slightly funny.
Motivation is motivation.
True. And this is what we want for you: simple steps forward.
Let's practice some short sentences. Repeat after us.
I can speak English.
I learn a little every day.
Mistakes are okay.
I'm getting better.
Good job. Even speaking small sentences builds confidence.
Yes, you don't need big words to start speaking,
Many beginners think advanced English is necessary.
but daily English is simple. Hello, thank you, please, sorry.
Exactly. These simple words help you communicate.
Do you remember your first English sentence, Lisa?
Yes, it was, my name is Lisa. Very basic.
Mine was I am Mark. I like pizza.
Of course, food again.
Food is educational
The point is, start simple.
and practice daily, even for 5 minutes.
Some learners say, I don't have time,
But listening while cooking, that counts.
or during a walk, or before bed.
And you're not alone. We're here to learn with you,
Step by step,
mistake by mistake.
improvement by improvement.
A small win every day.
Let's talk about perfection,
Perfection sounds good, but it's dangerous.
because it stops you from starting.
Yes, you think, not today, maybe tomorrow.
And tomorrow becomes next week.
And next week becomes next year.
And the next year becomes, I wish I started earlier.
Exactly. So start now.
Even if you feel shy, nervous, or unsure.
Learning English is like walking. You learn by trying.
Let's do a small speaking exercise.
Repeat these sentences aloud.
I don't need to be perfect.
I just need to begin.
I can speak English today.
Wonderful. You're improving.
Another mistake learners make is comparing themselves to others.
Yes, you see someone speaking fast and think, I'm not good enough.
But everyone learns differently.
Some learn fast, some slow. Both are fine.
Focus on your own journey.
You only need to be better than yesterday.
And you are, because you're here.
Listening, practicing, improving.
And that's something to be proud of.
Let's practice a mini dialogue.
I'll ask a question. You answer with simple English.
Ready?
How was your English today?
You can say, it's getting better.
Next question. Do you make mistakes?
You can say, yes, and that's okay.
Next. Are you ready to learn?
You can say, yes, I'm ready.
Beautiful answers.
Another important point. Enjoy the learning.
Yes, have fun. English is not an exam.
Laugh at your mistakes.
Celebrate your progress.
And stay consistent.
Even 5 minutes a day changes everything.
And watching daily English chat helps too.